Wherein this time, it is the grandest celebration of your birthday, Mother or Inang Pilang. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ang pinakamaganda ngayong araw, walang tatalo at walang tatabla. O kung sino magreklamo, itaas ng kamay. Wala? Of course, the one and only Inang Pilang. Wish niyo po bago niyo po i-blow yung candle natin. Anong wish niyo po?
May 100,000 ko. Interview lang. Sana maabot ko yung 100 para may 100,000 ako kamo ah.
Ko pa yung 100. Ako ng 100K.
Huwag lang makurakot kamo.
Kurakot daw.
Once again, a round of applause to our beautiful and very energetic mother or Inang Pilang. So palakpakan naman po natin. So sa lahat po ng mga andito, once again, we thank you for coming and joining this.
and strength.
Tanong mo kung naintindihan nila.
Today, I wish you a joyous birthday, and I pray that God continue to grant you divine health, peace, and longevity.